Hi, I'm Rav. Today I want to talk a bit about flashcards and how I use them as a beginner learner of the Finnish language. Before Finnish, I've also studied Japanese and Chinese at university level, as well as dabbled in French, Italian, and Spanish. So I like to use flashcards because I find that they are a quick way to learn a lot of new vocabulary, especially at the early stages of language learning. I write by hand because studies have found that students that write on paper memorize information better than those writing digitally. I put my native language on the front side and the target language on the back side because that is the way I find is most useful as I'm using Duolingo. So I make use of Duolingo to data mine sentences for my flashcards, getting one for each vocabulary word. While studying, I make use of spaced repetition, going from 1 day to 2 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, and then finally 6 months before I retire the card. Of course, I don't always succeed with my cards, so whenever I get a failed card, I go back to day 1, and the card also gets a mark. 6 marks and the card gets removed. Because I'm obviously not at a good enough level to know the word, so I trust that if it is a useful word that it will come back in the future, and then hopefully in a context where I can actually learn the word. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any feedback or critique or anything you learned from it, anything you're taking with you, I'd love to know. So please leave it in the comments down below. Until next time, take care. Bye.